I want to do a quick review on a center cap for a Ford F-150 truck. This is a center cap that has, for a rim that has 6 lug nuts. Easy to use. You just easy to install. You just snap it on the lug nuts. I had to order a new one. Apparently on my way to work or way home, I must have hit a pothole or something and knocked one of my center cap off. So it looks good. I got this just in the mail yesterday, so I'm snapping on in just a few minutes. It's a little got fingerprints on it. I've been handling it a little bit, but they're really good replacement here. Just if you're looking for a good replacement, just go over to Amazon and get this here. It's like I said, center cap for a 6 lug nut F-150. Just punch in your year and your model. This is for my 2013 truck, so but just make sure you punch in the year model, because it may be a little bit different style or something. But I highly recommend it. I think I'll be happy with this. So check it out.